In this video, we'll try to solve 4 programs together for better clarity. Let's see the left-hand side corner first program. Here you can see there is 5 elements in an array. And what we are doing is we are storing ARR into P. ARR hold the base address. So P is pointing to base address. Now when we read pointer P and observe here there is a parenthesis and then plus plus. So pointer means it is a special type of variable which will hold address. And when I say pointer P, what is the value at address P? P is pointing to the base address and value at the base address is 5. So first it will read that value and then it will increment the value in the memory from 5 to 6. So first it will print 5, but after the statement at this location value will become 6. So when you print pointer P, it will print 6. And to know or to get the proof, you also print ARR of 0. And you can see ARR of 0 will also print 6. So final output for this program will be 5, 6, 6. Let's see what will the output if we do not put the parenthesis. When you do not put the parenthesis, address get incremented, which means pointer P is pointing to base address and pointer means value at this address. So here, though it print the output 5, but when you say post increment, this will increment the address and not the value. And that is the reason why in the next line, when we print pointer P, after this statement, pointer get increment, address get incremented. And on the next address, what is the value? 7. And that is the reason why it print the value 7. Observe here, ARR of 0 has not modified and value still 5. So final output for this code will be 5, 7, 5. So here, if there is no parenthesis, address get incremented. When there is a parenthesis, value at address get read. And since it is post, after the statement in the memory, this value get incremented. Now let's see the remaining 2 code. Here, it is a pre-increment. Now, P is pointing to base address plus plus pointer P. Pointer means value at address. So what is the value at the base address? Because P is pointing to ARR, ARR is base address. So when I say plus plus pointer P, value at address P, that is what 5, and pre means first increment then read. So this get cancelled and value 6 will come at this location. And that is the reason why when you print after this ARR of 0, it will print 6. So in this scenario, output will be 6 and 6. Let's see the last program. Here also, P is pointing to base address. Now this time pointer and then plus plus B. So plus plus means first increment and then read. But this time it will increment the address. So first it will increment the address and pointer means value at that address. P was initially pointing to base address. After the plus plus, it will point to next memory block. And the value at the next memory block is 7. So output for this program will be 7. So I hope you have understood thoroughly. I'm repeating, when there's a parenthesis, it will increment the value. In case of post increment, it will first print and then increment in the memory. In this scenario, it will read the value at this address and after reading, address get incremented. Here, plus plus, pehle increment karo, but what? Value. Pointer P means value at address. So this will increment this value. But if you change pointer plus plus P, first increment the address and then read the value. So it will read value 7.